YouTube? This is Bob Illuminati. Thank you for watching my all blade videos. Please subscribe, press the like button, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. And also find us on Instagram, follow us, comment, whatever you have to do. Good night.
What's up, YouTube? This is Bob Illuminati with another video tonight. How you doing? First of all, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos. The channel is growing. We're right on the corner from 500 subscribers actually. We right on the corner from there, and I'm excited about it. I'm sure one of these days I'm going to be pushing 500,000, but as of now I have to obey the natural order of things. Anyway, as of now, as usual, I'm clearing the side of the head with the 1.5 blade. This is my usual steps. If you're familiar with watching my videos, this is what I normally do. I usually clear the side of the head with the 1.5 guard. Then I'm going to be using my T-outliner to ball out. Once again, I'm going to be doing a high skin fade. We're going to remove a nice portion off the top, comb it over to the right, apply a little product, done. For those of you who's not familiar with my haircutting style, after I ball out, I usually create my guideline with a 1 or OA. But this particular video is going to be done with the 08 blade. I'm going to be creating my first guideline with the OA, then my 000 at an angle. Plain and simple. I call myself the Bob Illuminati. It's a long story how this name came about. You would have to watch my previous videos to find out. I don't think I want to explain this right now. Once again, this is my T-outliner, balling out the side of the head. So far, we're looking good. Oh yeah, this is the usual kind of mine. We're not doing anything special here. It's a basic high skin fade. 1, 2, 3. Once again, I said I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, I appreciate that. My goal is to make all blade haircut videos popular, and so far, so good. A lot of you guys been commenting, asking questions about all blades, and I appreciate that. By the way, I answer all comments and all questions. I don't have 500,000 subscribers yet. While the numbers is still low, I'm taking advantage to just interact with those who watch my videos. I appreciate that. I'm getting ready to do a slight clip of a comb, just to clear away this unnecessary hair. Clipping of a comb is very basic. It's only a few angles you can do. In future videos, I will go a little bit more in depth with clipping of a comb technique. But clipping of a comb is something that you just have to take upon yourself and do. I'm a barber instructor, a school owner, and I also own a barber shop, Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. What's up? I'm the owner of the establishment I just mentioned, Marvelous Barber Studio. That's also my establishment. Also, I'm the founder and CEO of the Bob Illuminati brand. Products coming soon. I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the 08 blade. I'm going to take about 1 inch of gap on the side of the head to create my guideline. Then I'm going to come behind it with my OA, with my 000 actually. This is the OA I'm using now with my 000 at an angle. Then I repeat the step, make sure my blend is nice and crispy. Then I move on to my 1.5 guard, 1A at an angle, then the 1 blade at an angle, repeat. My style is plain and simple. I'm going to repeat the steps repetitiously over and over until you guys got it. It's plain and simple. I don't think I'm doing anything special. I take my time and learn how to use the blades very effectively. It can be very intimidating to learn because it requires a lot of persistence to learn to use the blades correctly. A lot of people are not able or not willing to do that because the adjustable clippers are so easy to use versus blades. Blades require a lot of persistence and repetition and consistency to master the art of blade cutting. Anyway, what I just did is my OA 000 at an angle behind it. I repeat the steps twice. This is my 1.5 straight up. I'm not really creating a guideline with the 1.5. I intend to blend into the hair on top. That's how I do it most of the time. I intend to blend into the hair on top. It's not really creating a guideline because there's nowhere else to go. With that 1.5 being used, I'm gonna come behind it with my 1A at an angle. It might look like I'm using the full blade, but I'm not. Only a portion of it is being used. I've been using doing all blade videos forever. There come my 1, which is the only blade that has a ceramic piece on it. My 1, angle. Then I'm going to repeat the same steps. And now, from what I found out, the secret to a crispy blend with an all blade haircut is repeat the steps. That's why I purposely repeat the steps just to show you guys the secret of all blade hair cutting. Really, it may not give you a blend, a clean blend at first. All you have to do is repeating the steps and be very disciplined with how high you go with your angles, with your strokes, I should say, and you should be fine. So what I just did is the 1.5, 1A. I just put it down, then I move on. This is the other side. I'm very much going to be doing the same thing. This is my OA, then 000 at an angle. Yep, they go to 000, angle, repeat. That's what's going to happen here. At times I don't repeat the steps because it's not necessary, but for majority of the time I do. You see I'm repeating right now. This is the OA, then 000 behind it. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm having so much fun doing all blades haircut, it's not even funny. This channel is designed to display, to promote all blade haircuts. My goal is to make all blade haircuts popular, where the whole world will start using all blades haircuts just like they do with adjustable. And the Barber Illuminati is here to pave a way to all blade haircut. This is the only channel in the whole universe and beyond that does all blade haircuts. No other channel like this on YouTube or anywhere else. So it might sound like I'm bragging. I have the right to. Oh yeah, what I just did here is my 1.5, 1A, 1. I'm repeating the 1.5 one more time. 1A and 1. As you can see, what I'm doing here is very self-explanatory. I use the 1.5 to clear a lot of bulk as I'm using it, and then I come behind it with the 1A. That's what I'm doing right now. Then the 1. Now I'm gonna trim the top a bit. I mean, actually, a nice portion is gonna be removed off the top. What I'm doing here is very self-explanatory. There's not a whole lot to say. However, I'm gonna keep talking I don't want too much void on my video here. What's up, Custom Made Barbershop, Johnsonville, Florida. I didn't forget about you. Ladies and gentlemen, those who watch my videos, I ask you guys to watch the haircut tutorial from my younger brother in Jacksonville, Florida. Custom Made Barbershop. That's the name of his channel. Look him up and show him love. He's a Barber Illuminati himself, even though he doesn't do all blade haircuts like me. But this guy is a Barber Illuminati himself. As a matter of fact, he's the Barber Illuminati. What's up, Cuss? I ask you guys to check him out. Check out his YouTube videos at Custom Made Barbershop. He's located in Jacksonville, Florida. Please spread the love, share the love. Barber Illuminati. I'm doing a basic clip of a comb after I trim the top. It won't be too much else to do after this. I'm gonna cross check the top a bit. Then I'm gonna apply some products, style it a little bit, then move on. I'm just checking, making sure the top is nice and even. If I see little flaws, I pick it up. See little flaws, I pick it up. I'm really enjoying this haircut. I'm really enjoying this voiceover also. Yep, applying this a little bit of product. I use Uppercut Deluxe. If you see the display cabinet behind the customer, I sell products at my barbershop. This barbershop is taking place at a Marvelous Barber Studio. It's beautiful. I really enjoy this haircut. I think it come out pretty clean. I would like for you guys to comment. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions about all blade haircuts, I'm your man. I appreciate all you guys who've been asking me all blade haircut questions. Barber Illuminati is a movement, and I encourage you guys to get on board and learn your all blade techniques so we can all do all blade haircuts. This is the final product, y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hashtag Barber Illuminati. Good night. Please subscribe.